there because initially I was thinking that they might bully us, they might ignore us, or they might look us differently because of our different beliefs and religions. But eventually, I realized that they are very warm.
Welcome to Pakistan!
Oh, the lilac snow drifting down so soft and slow outside my window. I watch it go. Oh, the lilac snow. And though the world may seem so still, it's coming in a distant chill with the memories of winters past, of the ones I wish would have lasted. Oh, the lilac snow tells secrets of long ago, of carols sung, of gifts we've known. Oh, the lilac snow whispers softly on the wind as memories come flowing in.
So ngayon guys, nandito na tayo ngayon uli sa Kalam Forest para sa closing ceremony ng aming tour dito sa SWAT. Kasi by tomorrow, babalik na kami ng Islamabad. Papausok kami dito kasi malamok. Ganun pala. Hindi, magbo-bonfire kami dito guys. So ito na yung bonfire. Epek. Be, ayan oh. So ito guys. Kasama ko dito si Junie. Junie, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. I'm just 15, 22. So ayan na. Yung iba namin kasama, nandun pa sa loob ng forest at naglalaro. Naghahabol-habulan ata sila. Naghahanap sila ng nuno. Ghost searching sila. Hindi soul searching, ghost searching. Yung isa naman andito sa harap din namin. Naghihintay na lang ng grasya or ng titable sa kanya. Di ba? Yung eksena namin dito guys, hindi ko alam kung mag-end up to na parang pang Brokeback Mountain. You know, gitong mga feels yun. Mami, tayo pala mag-Brokeback Mountain at the end. So, I'm so happy. I think naging masaya naman lahat. Hi ka naman, Vince, sa vlog.
Hi guys.
Ayan, ito guys si Vince. Join us on the fire. Through the fire. Through whatever come what may. Si Kay naman ngayon is nag-asikaso ng aming magiging dealer. Di ba? Atras na ako na atras. Sangaye. नहीं नहीं
आपको उर्दू की भी समझ आती है?
उर्दू तोरा नहीं असल
चलो आप हमसे तो अच्छे हैं ने, हम आपकी ज़बान नहीं समझते, लेकिन आप हमारी ज़बान भी नहीं समझ पाते हैं। हमारे भी लड़ल पड़ल है जैसे आपका।
Yeah, that's it. Bas. आपका नाम क्या है?
हमका नाम जावेद खान है।
मेरा नाम फ्रांसिस है.
फ्रांसिस।
Yeah. Si, ay, G. Naging Spanish.
फ्रांसिस का मतलब क्या होता है?
Philippine? Nanguhulan ako ng anong tanong niya. Yeah. Bolo?
फ्रांसिस का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे आपका नाम है फ्रांसिस,
Francis. Yeah.
तो इसका मतलब क्या है?
Bolo? What?
इसके नाम के माने क्या है?
Meaning?
हाँ, मानिंग क्या है?
Masikip ka daw.
Freedom. Yeah, Francis Freedom. Yeah. अच्छा. Good. अच्छा.
हमें अपनी जबान सिखाते रहो
Later.
अकेले आप नहीं आते ना और भी आते हैं भाई समझते हो जैसे कि और इस तरह आपकी जबान के और बंदे आ जाए हम उनकी जबान समझ पाते हैं
शुक्रिया दोस्त. भाईजान शुक्रिया. आपके what?
ये जबान कौन सी है
La Philippine. Philippine English.
फिलीपीन
Philippine English. Yeah. Nehi ni hao. Nehi arigato.
हाँ भाई पिक्चर पिक्चर
Picture. Oh, come. Ayun pa picture daw siya. Ito sasayaw.
भाई ना सब को दे ना भाई सो गया
Да,
Anda.
снимайте, говорят, мой. Сваги.
भाई सही ना भाई कैमरा के कोई वो आदमी है
Mami, tingin ka, mami.
ऐसे ये हो यार
Here.
भाई वीडियो बता
Okay. Sige, mamaya. Bye. Mami. Syukriya.
Oh, वीडियो चाहता हूँ.
Okay. Oh, be, picture kayo, be. Oh, wait. Isa pa. Oh. Picture. Video yung be. Oh, be, picture na kayo. Bye dyan. Ikpo to. Yeah. Okay, tayo ka? Tatayo ako. Okay. Palagi akong flash. Ito, sama ka. Dalawa sila.
Tagalog? Kama ka.
Sorry na, guys. Okay. Dito ka ilaw. Tapos na, be? Si Kay na ba yan?
Hindi.
Ano ko si Kay na yun?
Magmumoto.
So, ito guys. Kinakausap namin yung mga lokal pero hindi kami nagkakaintindihan masyado. Hindi kami nagtatagpo. Sinusubukan naman namin ba yung best namin dito, di ba? Mamaya hintayin lang natin yung mga translator natin dito. Ayun, nag-ayos na ng ilaw nila.
Tatanong ko kung sino nakakapagsalita ng English, wala.
Wala, be. 0 tayo for tonight's video, be.
Saying that I have some family tension because of that and the thing. No story.
Pang 98% ang germs. Patay.
Ay, na yung apoy.
nakalepad pa naman
Kailangan ng pampasiga.
Mami. Dance in hymn. Dance in hymn.
Space. Okay na ba?
Dance na.
Need space.
Space.
Oh, space. Guys, move back. Dance na. Space.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, judges, upo na. Mga judges. Ito ang mga hurado.
ano ako
Ikaw host.
Performer ka nga, mami.
Host ka, mami.
Ikaw nga i-judge na.
Mami, ikaw yung premyo. Ikaw yung premyo.
Ikaw nga i-judge namin, mami. Mami, lapit ka kayo.
Dito ka, mami. Tabi ka sa akin. Okay. Contestant number 1. Mula sa Lapu-Lapu, Cebu, ang magpapasik club.
Lapo-lapo ka, mami.
Oo. Ay.
Sayawan mo yan.
Yes.
Sayawan mo yan. Liza, pasok.
Yes, Wasim!
Wasim!
Wasim,
They are dancing na oh. Liza, pasok.
you're not proud ah?
The same.
Oo, Mami K. Dapat ililid tayo ni Mami K, di ba? Dapat ililid tayo ni Mami K.
Wasam,
Babe, you dance na. You dance na.
okay, it's okay.
I can dance. Parang ayoko na siya. Parang ayoko na siya. Parang ayoko na siya. Ay, taray! Ay, taray! Liza! Sabi ko singer to eh. Charis! Ay, taray! Ay! May pitik! Mami, pasok!
Yes. Ay, kabog. Pinanood niya pa ulit.
Ay, tatalo niya. Tatalo niya.
Yes.
Kakain ng apoy yan, Mami.
Ayan, magtatapatan sila oh.
Magbubuga ng apoy yan. Kuhanin mo yung apoy na isa. Kuhanin mo isang bagang. Kuhanin ng isang bagang. Ay, taray. Ay, ginalingan.
Ang galing mo.
Ikaw na, Mami.
Gagay sa'yo na. Tapos yung sa'yo ko.
Huwag kang maggangsta.
Galing sa akin. Advice ganda pala yun. Mami Johnny! Mami!
Go, Mami.
Ganunti lang. Ganun lang.
Call Mami Joy na, take the hand, give the hand. Mami, dali na, laro lang, Mi. Dali na, Mi.
Ma!
Gangnam Style mo na rin. Gangnam Style.
O, pag Gangnam Style. Ano?
Mami, go na.
Oops, kitty, hoops. Every day I see you. O, sa'yo tayo, guys. Sa'yo din.
Disco na to ah.
Sayaw. Ikot.
Ikot, Mami.
Ikot. Hindi ko rin alam, be. Kunyari nakatapa kayo sa apoy. Kunyari ganon.
I'm a dancer.
You got some serious moves.
Eme. O, yung gano'n nila.
Kasain.
Come on, dance! Okay na, pakota na. Woo!
Mami daw,
Mami, oh. Mami. Kay Toretto. Kay Tore.
Mami K.
And everyone, you also.
Ay, babae.
Clap.
Than you.
Tapos na.
Clap.
Basta, ikaw na. Kasi yung music niya daw na ano mo. Labas ko na yung Red Horse.
Ay,
Papas ko na. Bumbayan mo na.
sisig guys, sisig.
Bumbayan mo na.
Nakaano sa'yo? Ulit yan.
Umiinom ba sila?
Barista sa Malolo. Bulak.
Ayaw kaya
Sir,
Ah,
umiinom sila.
patago. Kasi haram. Haram.
Ay, nag-regime.
Tapos sa bago niya mga Filipino dance, Mama Beyonce ka naman.
Mamagyan sa...
Dali naman.
Gaga.
Ay, patag ko yung
Gaga. Ay, sinulog muna, sinulog.
Na.
Sinulog tapos,
Senyor!
Filipino, pwede.
Tarat.
oh, bumpanes.
Ay, kumunag ka na.
Bakit ako?
Kabisadong kanta. Ay,
Ha?
sa'yo. Mami.
Oh,
It should be.
Ah, bebe. Mabusog ako. Bigyan mo kay Mami. Ano?
meron na siya, Bi.
Liza.
Kawa siya eh.
Ano ka talaga pasabog ka sa akin?
Bi, dalawa tayo, Bi, tatain naman. So, dilim naman ngayong gabi. Matatain na nga ako, dahil kinain kanin, nabigla ako.
Okay na to. Tayo sa music.
Kaya, Beyonce na tayo, Be.
Beyonce na lang tayo, ma.
Gaga.
Beyonce na lang.
Doon sa Islamabad na tayo mag-Beyonce yan, Be. Baka ano eh, mawawalan sila ng gana. Kasi magulat tayo sila yung nag-Beyonce.
Beyonce, lumidi
Sila yung mag-Beyonce, Be.
Parang hindi sumayaw si Kay.
Mami, para mahina yung signal mo dyan, mami. Akala ko malakas na. Humina. Sumayaw siya saglit on.
Parang hindi sumayaw si Kay. Sabi na absent na naman si Mami.
Nakatulog na naman.
Absent ka na naman ng 5 seconds, Mami.
Hindi ko tumigil yung sound. Diba
Ay na naman ang
hila
mali.
na siya?
Kasalanan mo kasi yan, Kay.
Hindi kasalanan ni Mami.
Isisend namin sa iyo. Load sa YouTube meron, mami.
Hindi, nakita ko si Kay.
Ang cute ng tuta.
Oo, nakita ko nga pala si Kay. Sumayaw nga kanina.
Ang cute ng tuta nila, oh. Chuchu! Ang cute!
Tumak.
Ang cute! Panda ba yan?
Panda yan, gaga.
Gaga, tupa talaga yan. Pinapastol nila yan.
Manok,
Gagi, yung chapli kebab na.
gaga doon sila kumain ng mga itlog na
Yung chapli kebab yan. So before we officially close the night, no, para after nito is fun na lang tayo, no. So I would like to thank you guys for joining us here, 'di ba? Before we close this day, before we end this day, and before we start officially the fun night here in Kalam Forest, I would like to thank everyone for joining us here in our trip here in Pakistan. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much guys for making us a part of your core memory in exploring and discovering more of Pakistan. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, sana may natutunan kayo, at sana makasama pa rin namin kayo soon. At sana mas lalo nyong nakilala at minahal ang Pakistan. Because more than anything else, it's for you, not for us, to discover Pakistan. We want you to share. We want to share the experience that we have. We want you to fall in love the same way that we fall in love in Pakistan. Sana you have that magic in you. And on that, cheers to the chai. Ikaw, Kay, do you have anything to say? Okay.
Nasabi niya naman yung maganda. Mahirap sundan.
Hindi, mas magandang may ano.
Mayroon, Kay, just give us a word.
Just few short words.
Yeah.
Give.
Bigyan ko kunin mo na yun.
Kailangan kasi ni Jose, no? Kasi si Jose, bububugin ko rin ng mayaman.
Okay, who want to be first?
Ito na, si Mami na.
Mami, ikaw na.
Ha?
Mami, para ikaw naman yung mauna.
O sige, Mami, kahit
Oh,
ano.
lagi na ikaw last eh. Mami, lagi kang hindi ready. Okay, ikaw muna. Simulan mo na.
Para ikaw naman yung mataas mo.
Wait lang. Be, 1 minute lang, be ha. Para tayo memory full. Go.
Okay. Favorite part ko is parang malamja ba? Kasi maraming activity, saka extreme. So my heart is in malamja ba? Because too much activities that I do in my previous life, yeah. And that's it for me. Okay, next. Wasim, favorite part of the tour? Which activity, which place?
Sabi niya, all parts,
I
but
think
not of
every
the
part
tour.
is important for me because Rian is with me.
Rian pala. Ramos.
Right?
Parang
Because
naging
you're
dahilan.
every time.
Wag na tanongin.
Wala na.
Each and every moment.
Kala ko babulahin mo kami ni Kay.
Say it in English now. Right?
I thought you're gonna patronize me and Kay. Just kidding.
But still really. Okay, next. Beans. What is your favorite part?
Ako na yung sasagot in behalf of Vince.
yung pwede sa
Kaya
ano?
ko sagutin ko for Vince.
Sagutin mo
Ayoko. Madadamay ako. Go. Huwag mo isa na.
Katakarin sila kami favorite part. Okay, Beans.
Huli sa camera, sorry. Nagtsatsaga kasi.
Ako, sa akin naman, yun, favorite part ko sa tour is yung matry yung mga pagkain nila. Then, yung makipag-socialize. Sino yung umutok? Sino yung umutok? Ayop din, ma-interview kami eh. Hindi mo lang naman kasi nila.
Ay!
Butot ako last nga eh.
Last na nga eh.
Sorry. Yung dal.
Ulit. Oh, favorite part?
Pagkain daw, local interaction.
Yung local interactions. So,
Sang araw, sang activity. Exactly.
yung activities.
Ferris wheel, ganun ba?
Alin?
Ferris wheel.
down sarili ko na.
Special amusement park na masaya. Masaya doon. Sa Pisagat. Doon yung talagang biglang buo na tayo eh.
Next, Riri. It's your turn. Yung the best. Pick the best. Yung ano talaga.
Ako the best.
Yung talaga pag tinanong ka agad, yun talaga papasok agad.
Honestly, alam nyo, we visited a lot of good places.
Bawal umiyak.
Honest review, mas na-enjoy ko yung nasa fun world tayo. Ano yun, Mami Kay? Mas na-enjoy ko yun.
Horror.
Actually po, sa sobrang dami po ng na-visit naming magagandang places, doon talaga ako sa mga, sa horror house, doon sa mga car na eksena. Ang galing lang kasi, even locals, they joined us. You know, the interconnectedness. You know, ang sarap lang.
Disparity mo ah.
Hindi, ang sarap lang kasi yung we are from different countries, and except of that, we have like some of us, we have some famous vloggers already, but you know, the way they are treating us, you know, it's like in a normal way. Ang sarap lang sa feeling kasi they never treat us like different. Ang sarap sa feeling. Ayun lang.
Okay. Oh, Mami. Last is Mami.
Gising ba?
Save the best for last, Mami.
Ano hindi ko na mention, favorite part ko yung pinag-online natin si Mami.
Favorite part? Favorite part?
Sa Pisagat din nangyari.
Favorite pag in-online ka namin, masaya kasi kami.
I mean, seriously, what I like is the fact that the Pakistani people are showing us so much respect, and they're very, very hospitable, very opposite to our misconceptions and impressions of them. Like all of the people that I talked to, they said that it's not a nice place to go. It's very dangerous and scary, and it took me a lot of bold decision to risk coming here, when in fact I could have sidelined to another trip to Georgia, for example. But then I said, why not give it a try? And I believe what Kay, Toretto, and Francis Candy said, that people in Pakistan are very nice, and it truly is. They live up to the expectations, and I feel that the respect is there, because initially I was thinking that they might bully us, they might ignore us, or they might look us differently because of our different beliefs and religions. But eventually I realized that they are very warm people, and they deserve the world's attention. So they deserve so much opportunities, because I know there are economic challenges in Pakistan, and I hope that the world will turn a different eye for them and make Pakistan beautiful, a very beautiful place for the world to explore and experience.
Wait, hindi pa tapos. First paragraph pa lang.
Casual question talaga, casual question.
Kaya pala siya 5 days to look. I-review niya yun.
One whole sheet of paper yan.
Introduction. Okay, Mami, ano yung sagot?
One whole sheet of paper yan, gag.
And
The sleeping is beyond the
expectation.
Yun yung favorite ano niya.
So, anong favorite mo, Mami?
Serious,
Hindi mo
ah?
nasagot.
Oo, Mami, di mo
talagang I would have decided to really cancel the tour. Like, I don't care about how much I would have spent if the risk is not worth it. And people are actually, when I posted on Facebook, they were I kept them guessing where I am, because they see that Pakistan is a very beautiful place. It looks like Europe, and it's totally different from what the Western media showed us. Very, very different. And the people itself are very, very respectful and very warm, hospitable. And that's what I really like about the place, the people.
So, for everyone to know, kasi si
Mami Junie, from Cebu to Singapore to Dubai to Pakistan. So it's a long way going here.
And the reason why I visited Dubai is because of Pakistan.
Yes.
And I'd like to stay longer.
Where?
Hopefully, and make more vacations here. Invite other friends
Mag-invite ka na now. Mag-invite ka na
to
sa
let them know that Pakistan is a really, really beautiful place. It's a safe place.
Do you feel safe here? Yeah.
I do.
But we don't.
Oh, I do feel safe. Even with the presence of police and the military, that's why I keep asking. But I feel that it's more about security and their desire to protect us and make our vacation worthwhile and memorable.
How about in expressing yourself? Like for everyone else, like gender expression or like dressing up.
I don't think there's an issue. I feel that I'm comfortable than compared to other countries, and maybe because they're conservative people, and I think they're rooted in that they're being conservative that makes them they're not really that confident to confront, but as long as you respect their values, their customs and traditions, I think Pakistan is a safe place for people like us.
Ngayon, Junie, ito yung salamin. Anong gusto mong
This is the
sabihin?
mirror. Mirror,
Now, right
mirror
now,
on the
30
wall.
seconds.
That you
Who's
finished the
the
tour.
fairest
You're
of
already
them all?
done with the tour. What do you want to
1
start
minute lang, di ba?
Okay. Nagreklamo. Ginalingan mo kasi sa exam. O yan ang perfect mo. So, tuloy-tuloy mo yan. Mag-boarding exam ka na rin.
Let's give her a big round of applause for Mami Julie.
At dahil
Anyway,
pasok ka sa bar exam.
last, I'd like to thank everyone.
Mamaya pa yung mami. Wait lang.
No.
Salamat na siya, wala na.
Wag kang pagtrabaho. I'd like to thank everyone because this is a whole different level of experience for me. With a very calculated life. I do not usually take the risk of meeting new people. I know that somehow, somewhere, you felt intimidated by my presence. But what I really love the most is that I learned so much from all of you, especially Francis, being very accommodating, and from the bottom of my heart, I thank you because this whole trip and journey is a whole lot of fun, and walang epal, walang KJ, and I'd like to have this entire trip again if I were to ask with all of you, because I feel safe and I feel comfortable. So thank you.
Thank you again for trusting us, and also thank you also for Kay Toretto kasi without her as well.
For Kay especially,
It's really a big teamwork.
I appreciate Kay being very hardworking
for handling each and everything.
Kay for doing the extra miles.
The most as well.
Yeah, doing the extra miles, making our trip
Less
hassle.
Actually, Mami, that's the hardest
That's my
part,
way. Yeah.
Like, especially the itinerary, each
really
and
go.
everything. Yeah.
Say something about everything that you want to say now. Go.
No, because I'm just emotional as well. I'm just emotional because like before meeting you guys, right? I told you that I'm a fan, and then when I met you guys, na sabi ko, ang oo nyo, bakit? no, when I met them, of course na given na yung mag-a-assume ka na baka i-disregard ka na. I mean, baka iti-treat ka nila na different. Kasi nga, first time ko makamit ng mga vloggers actually. Pero I'm a fan talaga. And then, nung unang-unang araw na nakita ko yung post nyo, di ba nakita mo, nag-reserve ako agad, Mami. Kasi nga, bet na bet ko talaga kayo makasama. Then, actually, nung nakita ko na kayo sa isa, parang gusto ko nang i-refund yung binayad ko.
Actually, kayo yung nagbayad, Bet. Tandaan mo yan.
Ako pala yung hindi, actually, hindi ko siya ni-refund, guys. Dinagdagan ko pa, di ba, Mami? Nagdagdag pa ako ng dalawa. Ito naman, sinisira mo ako. Dinagdagan ko pa. So, yun nga, unexpected. Yun nga, kagaya nung unang sinabi ko na from the first day, sabi ko, parang, nagdadalawang isip ako, tama ba na sumama ko? Or tama ba na yon? And then, ngayon na, time na para patapos na, uwi na. Parang, sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, meron akong separation anxiety, which is, parang ang hirap-hirap na maiwan na naman, especially kayo. Kasi ang saya-saya talaga, promise. Bukod sa walang KJ sa atin, meron mang KJ, pero alam mo yon, parang nagiging siya, parang nagiging katuwaan natin. And then, nako-convert siya talaga sa, alam mo yun, parang nagiging, nag-a-adjust tayo. Tapos, hindi, parang talagang lalo tayong nagiging, solid. Lalo tayong nagkakaroon ng connection sa isa't isa, di ba? Ang saya lang. Oh, yun lang, mami.
Vince, go.
Wala nang
Ito naman.
Hindi, pero yun,
Ganito yun, Beo.
bumagsak ka sa unang exam
Kasi ito yung lakad natin.
Ganito yun, I nominate Kay Toretto. For Survival Philippines. Kay Toretto.
1 point po kay Kay.
sige na, mag-speech ka na.
Shoota ka,
Okay.
ikaw na. Bakit ako kasama sa speech?
Go. Wasim, go.
You wanna say anything? Anything about the trip?
This is the last activity.
And also for us to learn something, if we need to learn something from this experience, guys. Because
You guys are like more
Francis.
experienced. You know, you guys have traveled. And I would just say like, as a team, we have traveled, and I enjoy every moment. I really appreciate you guys organized this tour, and it was a great experience with you guys. So I really enjoyed each and every moment.
when you said each, you look here.
Ay, fairness
Wait,
naman sa kanya.
did you say each or beach? Wait. Ay.
Magkakat ka pa.
In fairness naman kayo, Wasim, di ba? Kahit na local siya, Pilipino tayong lahat, parang di talaga nararamdaman na OP siya, umami. Di ba, ma? Hindi talaga
Talaga sa inyong dalawa, to be honest.
Kami na OP nga. Actually, yung
Kami na
purpose. Mami, parang kanina sabi mo, ang ganda ng mga review mo, tapos ngayon may negative kang sinasabi.
Joke lang.
Joke lang.
Hanggang muli ako kaya.
Ayun. Oh, ikaw na, mami.
Si Vince.
Si Vince.
Vince, wala ka sabi. Pakalakas sa lakad natin.
I-flex mo na lang yung nasa leeg mo, mami.
Yung mga
Okay na
lakad
yan.
yung dalaw.
Ano ba yung ano?
Saan na ba tayo?
Okay, so sige, lahatin na natin ng tanong, yung struggle, yung pasasalamat, yung message mo para sa isa't isa, yung mga napansin mo, yung observation mo, go.
Or you learn, or itinerary natin matutulog.
Or you will
lang
miss.
tayo. Or yung kala mo, matutulog lang sa itinerary, hindi pala, ganoon.
So ayun. Hindi syempre gusto lang din magpasalamat sa lahat. Kasi we are strangers, so hindi natin kilala ang isa't isa, yung ugali or yung attitude. Syempre parang day by day na lalaman natin yung kung ano talaga yung attitude nila. Then tayo naman as a Pilipino, kaya natin mag-adjust. So kung ano yung trip na isa, so yun yung trip, nasasakyan natin lahat. Especially yung trip namin ni Kay. So yung mga ganung bagay. Sorry. Ayun, syempre, gusto magpasalamat sa inyong dalawa. So, una napapanood ko lang sa TikTok, YouTube, then kung saan mang platform. So yun, maganda yung naging trip. Smooth then naramdaman ko na hindi kami pinabaya. Then special thanks to Mami Rai.
Tsaka di naman kayo binetchin, Bea. Wala kami nilagay na bench. Matabang nga minsan.
region district daar समार represent करी दिस
Okay, close mo na.
So ako hindi ako
Ay,
mag-message.
ako pala.
Naghihintay pala siya.
Akala ko. Nasanay ako. Sorry na. Oh.
Ay, sobrang liwanag, ma.
Okay lang yan.
Ilayo mo na konti kay
Ako naman.
I just
Ayan,
pa VIP.
ikaw naman. Iyak na yan, dali nga
Iyak yan, iyak yan.
Oh, ito na. Lahat ng mga gusto mong sabihin nung unang araw kay Mama, sabihin mo na ngayon.
Sa na.
Okay.
Diyan kayo magtsuktsakan ngayong dalawa. Tingnan lang natin.
Go.
Ito na, mami. Hindi ako dito at hindi ko kinuha ang tour na to kasi wala to sa itinerary, pagalitan mo ko. Uy, I love mami.
Yeah.
Although
Yeah.
90 minutes siya sa pagiging pagiging open ko. I don't know, kasi magkakaiba tayo ng personality, no? Pero I just want to present myself to everyone. Kasi bago pala kami, strangers nga kami as they told. Pero gusto ko din kasi na maging maayos. Una kasi kailangan maka-chart mo yung ugali at yung pakikisama sa bawat isa. Unlike naman kasi magtutur kayo na para kayong bitak-bitak. So nasan yung pagiging go. So yun lang. And for the tour, I love the tour. I love the places, which is ang iniisip ko talaga magtagal sa isang place. And I don't know kung kakayanin ko kasi as a starting of vlogging, gusto ko na magstay sa isang lugar, then maraming moment na makuha doon. Unlike na mag-stay sa ganito, tatalon sa ganon-ganon. So, yun yung unang struggle na pinag-isipan ko, which is, sabi ko, sige go. Kasi, hindi yun yung reason kung ba't ko kinuha yung tour. Ang reason is to be with Kay Toretto and Francis Candia. I'm a fan. I go with SB19 last month, pero hindi ako fan. Yeah. Ano lang siya. Pero nung nakita ko si Kay Toretto and Francis Candia, oh my God. Sobra. Kung review. And this message, I already done this. Meron na akong video. So,
Check nyo sa channel niya.
just check in my channel.
And of course, subscribe to his channel, guys.
Nagpaalam na ako, nagsabi na ako kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ko, and na-boost ko na siya. Ayun lang. So, that was good. Everything is good.
By this time, upload to na post nyo na daw. Plus 199 ka.
Oh, just kayo naman.
Si Mami Kay na. Tapos na ba? Hindi pa, Mami. Intro pa lang din yung sa kanya. Tatapatan niya din si Mami. So, microphone?
Ano ba? Masaya to. Masaya. Tama naman lahat ng sinabi niya na parang we started strangers and love like friends. Ganun naman talaga. I think that's what's happening in tourism. Maganda rin yung parang parang small group na itong nangyari. It was with parang maganda yung Masaya, thank you for being game. Kasi yung this trip talaga, it was really designed para sa mga taong nakakanood sa amin, the way we travel. Yung parang, ako kasi worry ko parada, are they comfortable? Yung lalo na sa public transport, lalo na parang, ayun yung gusto ko kasi ma-experience yun. Kasi when you do private tours, ayun yung mga bagay nyo ma-experience Parang, it looks mahirap, but pag nandun na kayo, diba, parang makakaintala kayo with the locals, which is gonna become memorable. Because you make memories doon. In private tours, just gonna be like, us lang. Pero, ayun nga, masaya. Sana na-enjoy nyo, sana na-enjoy nyo, sana, na happy kayo. Again ha, the Kay Toretto na nakita nila, it's not the Kay Toretto as vloggers, because we are organizing the tour. So I cannot be so mabait all the time. I'm managing you guys, I'm organizing you. Otherwise, magwawatak-watak tayo, baka magkakalitan, baka kayo mag-away-away. So it's either na, I just chose na kayo na lang yung magalit sa akin when I'm making maldita, kasi kayo yung magwatak-watak kasi naghihintayan kayo. Gets niyo? So ina-approach ko kayo, diba? O, ano nyo na to, yung ganun. So ayun.
Baka sakali makita kitang muli, pagsikat ng araw, paglipas ng gabi.
Mami, sasamahan kita sa Karachi, promise. Sasamahan kita sa Karachi. Walang eme.
Kung di pa
hanapin natin siya, Mami. Hanapin natin siya. Mahaba. Kaya na.
Mami, comfort mo naman, Mami. Wait lang, camera pa din, para recorded.
Samahan ka namin sa
Alright, ulit. Guys, group hug. Sakali.
Tapos may apoy na saktong-sakto. Ialay na to. Ang lalaki. Charas.
Ialay sa lalaki pala.
Wait, tara na, let's go.
استاذ ډیر زیاته مهرباني کوم چې کلم راشم تاسو ما ډیر زیاته مهرباني کوي چې عزت راکوي.
Everything I do here is free. They don't let me pay.
Really?
Yeah.
چې کلم راشم چې سمم کړی تاسو نه لګا زمانه پیسې نه لري دا شي. دا شي ډیر زیاته اپریشیټ کوم تاسو. زموږ ملمه دې ته it's all right. Don't allow you to pay.
Yeah, and thank them for it.
وای ته دوم د شو وای چې تاسو دلته راځي مون خوشالي کوو.
They're saying we really got excited for you when you came here.